Hey Nash, what should we make?
Well, I got us some sausage, and I think puff pastry sausage rolls would be a great thing to serve at a holiday or New Year's Eve party. Let's make those.
All right, let's make puff pastry sausage rolls. Coming at you with another holiday party or any party type, gathering type recipe. Today, we are making puff pastry sausage rolls. They're gonna come together real quick. They're delicious, awesome finger food. People love them. They'll think you're great for making them. So hey, without further ado, let's go. So we start with 2 pounds of sausage, and then we add in a teaspoon of basil, teaspoon of oregano, teaspoon of thyme, salt and pepper to taste. Preheat your oven to 375, and then we just mix this to combine. Once that's pretty much combined, then we just want to separate this into 6 parts. So, and it just roughly, so. And then we set this aside. Now we just want to flour our surface here, and eventually this is going to make a huge mess, but we'll go with it because that's how we do things around here. Then we get a sheet of puff pastry here, and then we want to roll this out so it's a little thinner. Then we want to cut this into thirds. Okay. So then we take this guy, we take 2 of our sausage portions. Then we just pull the edges up and around, crimp it. Try to keep it together. And then we just take this and we cut it. We cut it just like that, so about, 2 inch, well, sort of 2 inch. Like that. Then we just want to make some pretty little slits in each one. Then I'm going to crack 2 eggs. There was some melted butter in here, so that's not gonna hurt. And a little bit of cream. You could use milk or water. And then we're just gonna mix this up, and this is gonna make our egg wash. And this is just gonna basically help us get like a crispy top, nice golden brown. And we're just gonna brush this egg wash over each of our guys. So 1 egg would have been more than fine. And I should have been a little bit cleaner on that, but it'll work. Now we put these in our oven at 375 for 17 to 19 minutes. All right, here's our little guys right out of the oven. So one thing I would have done differently is I would have probably put them on a rack, just because the sausage renders quite a bit of fat. So the bottoms of these might end up being soggy, but we'll see. But they look pretty. So I'm just gonna transfer them to a rack in a different pan to cool. And there is our beautiful little 2-bite puff pastry sausage rolls. Time for a bite. Cheers. It's so freaking delicious. The crispy pillowiness of the puff pastry with just that kick of the sausage. It's nice and meaty, but also got a differential of textures. It's just really, really, really freaking good. Super duper savory. Yeah, like I said, the only thing I would do differently is I would cook it on a rack so that the bottoms didn't get soggy and got a little bit crispier. So when you make this, which you should, use a rack in your pan so that the sausage fat can render and the sausage rolls not actually sit in it. So that's the only thing I do differently. Otherwise, 10 out of 10 would highly recommend. But hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, how you doing? Look what we got here. We got these sausage rolls you wanted. Here you go. What do you think?
Savory, mouth-wateringly delicious.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
The fool doth think he is wise, but the wise man knows himself to be a fool.
Nash approves. I approve. Look, this is an awesome dish. Pretty easy to make. I have no doubt it'll be a huge crowd pleaser. So if you have a holiday party or any sort of party and you need some appetizer type stuff to serve or to bring, make this. Make it right now. Go get the stuff and make it. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you. Love you all. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to like, share, and subscribe, it would help us out. It would mean a lot. If you want notifications every time we drop a new video, just go ahead and hit that notification bell. If there's anything you want me to make, you want me and Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that down into the comments, or head over to our website, timschaoskitchen.com. Send us a message there. And hey, just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. Happy holidays, everyone. That's it for now. Until next time, peace.